Judy Baker. I'm part of bookmarketingmentor.com. What I have in my hand is a remote clicker that lets me activate my iPhone from a distance. I can turn it on or off, and that is just one of the tips that we'll be sharing with you in our brand new course,
Visual Storytelling for Authors.
If you've ever wanted to take advantage of one of the largest search engines, in fact, between Google and YouTube, it's always neck and neck. You can find out how you can create video and start your journey on attracting more readers using this fabulous and free medium.
Visual Storytelling for Authors.
We'll be launching the program soon, and if you want to be on the inside and find out just when that's going to happen, come to bookmarketingmentor.com, sign up, and we'll let you know when we're ready to go.